Hello, Ben here from Meiku. We're going to run through setting up your Formbox for the very first time. Now, remember to keep your packaging, just in case you need to transport your Formbox again in the future. Lift the machine out and place it on a flat and stable surface. Undo the Velcro strap and remove the starter kit box, placing it to one side. We'll begin at the back of the machine by turning it around. The first thing you're going to do is plug in the mains power to your wall outlet. Your vacuum cleaner plugs directly into the back of the Formbox. Be sure to check that your vacuum cleaner is 2000 watts or less. Remove the warning sticker and plug your vacuum cleaner into the socket on the back of the machine. And don't forget to turn your vacuum cleaner on. Now take the black vacuum tube and connect the smaller end into the port on the back of the Formbox. The larger end will fit over your vacuum cleaner's hose. Connect them both together, making sure there is tight seal with no air to escape. Your Formbox is now ready to use. This is the temperature dial. Turn it to switch the heater on and up to the temperature setting that you require. In this case, we're going to turn it up to setting 5. This is the timer dial. It helps you to know how long to heat your material for. In this example, we're going to set it for 1 minute 20 seconds. You can always find the time and temperature setting for sheet material on the instructions. The handles of the machine also act as clamps to hold the two trays together. Unclamp the handles and click the first tray into place at the top of the machine. Remove the protective layer from your sheet material and line it up with the seals on the second tray. Bring the first tray down and clamp the two trays together. When the heater is ready, the flashing light will turn solid green. With the heater at temperature, you're now ready to form. Click both trays into position at the top of the machine and press the timer start button to start the countdown. Place your template in the center of the bed and wait for your material to heat up. You're looking for a slight bowing in the sheet material and some rippling around the edges towards the seal. Once you see this, you are ready to form. Bring the trays down firmly but gently over your template. Your vacuum cleaner will switch on automatically, sucking all the air out from around the template. Let it cool for a few seconds and turn the heater dial back to off if you're not going to be using your machine again soon. Unclamp the first tray and lift your new creation out from the vacuum bed. Gently push from one side to pop the template out. And there you have it, your first form.